Alright guys, so I'm on my way to Oman Corniche right now. The weather is looking perfect and I can't wait to show you what it's like down there. It is one of the best spots to relax and catch some amazing views. Palm trees stretch endlessly along the road, gently swaying in the breeze. Smooth roads curve through the mountain, guiding me closer to the sea. Can't wait to show you more once we get there. I have stopped along the road to get closer look at this stunning view. Here, the ocean meets the mountain in perfect balance. It's one of the unique things about Oman's landscape. Sea and stone side by side. If you are driving this road, definitely take a moment to stop and enjoy this view. As you approach the Corniche, you will notice a well-maintained sidewalk with green grass and shaded benches. This rest area called gazebo are perfect for taking a break, enjoying the sea breeze, or just watching the world go by. They make the whole area feel so welcoming. One of the highlights at the Corniche is a stunning water fountain, visible from afar. It is jets shoot and dance. It is like a little show happening right here at the Corniche. I love how they add some life and movement to the whole place. Now I'm heading toward the Sultan Palace. I am passing through a peaceful residential area where the mosque and palm trees stand tall and create a serene landscape. I love how everything keeps that beautiful, crisp, white. It really shows off the traditional Omani style. As I move closer to Sultan's palace, you'll notice this amazing architecture from mosques to castle. You can see how they keep that traditional style alive. I love the curved windows, such a unique and beautiful detail that ties everything together. As I walk toward the Sultan Palace, notice the architecture here is stunning. The intricate detail and the grand design really show the scales and tradition behind this place. Now I'm heading toward the port and the souk, but check this out. I just had to stop and show you this hidden little village tucked away nearby. It is like a secret gem you won't expect to find here, full of charm and history. This small village surrounded by rugged mountains, welcoming visitors with a beautiful garden at its entrance. It is a peaceful rest area where you can relax before exploring the traditional homes and the street within. Alright, now I'm climbing this long stairs led from the village all the way up to the mountain summit. It is a bit of workout but totally worth it, because at the top you get an incredible view of the whole village and the mountains surrounding it. Let me show you. Here we are at the top of the mountain. Check out this view. The village looks so peaceful from up here, and it's actually really nice and cool in the summer, which is perfect escape from the heat down below. Plus, you can even see the ocean in the distance. This spot is seriously magical. Now I'm driving into the port where the souk is buzzing with life. You can see spot mosques everywhere standing tall all around. They really add to the city's vibe. And check out that huge ferry off distance. Pretty impressive. Wow, now I am right here at the souk, the heart of all the shopping, restaurants and cafes. It is usually buzzing, but I think it is closed right now. Most places open just in the morning and then again in the evening. So timing is everything if you want to explore. Alright, I'm going to leave you here with these amazing views. Thanks for coming along on this journey with me. Hope you enjoy it as much as I did. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There is plenty more to come. Thanks for watching.